Hi guys, Jessica with Legacy RV Center in Salt Lake City, Utah. I am so excited to show you today one of my favorite layouts, the 2021 Shasta 18FQ model. Come on in and take a look at all the great features this Shasta has to offer. All right guys, let's show you the bedroom. You've got a fantastic queen size bed in here with some underbed storage and then closets on both sides. Plenty of storage room in there for all your camping needs, packing all the clothes with you. And then you've got some nice under storage there as well for any of the little things you need, glasses, medications, things like that you want to keep handy by the side of the bed. And you've got 12-volt USB chargers on the side of the bed as well to plug in any devices you need to bring with you. All right, guys, moving on to your kitchen dining area. This being a 2021 model, we've done some updating this year. We have some nice, clean, crisp looking glass finish cabinetry in here. Plenty of room to store everything that you need. We've updated some other cabinetry options as well that we've got under here storage now. So you've got nice big storage areas for all the pots and pans, everything that you need to bring with you. We've updated in this model and we have a bigger single basin sink in here now. So you've got a counter cover for it, so you utilize that counter space still, but you do have a nice big sink for any dishes that you need to do while you're out. Some other upgrades to this is you have the 3-burner stove in this model. So they changed it from the 4 to the 3 so you get a better direct heat on what you're cooking, and that way everything's getting evenly dispersed while you're cooking. Nobody wants something undercooked. We've got the nice dinette that breaks down, so if you need to take somebody else with you, have an extra bed, you've got space here. You are pre-wired in here as well for the King's Wi-Fi router, so if you want to stay connected on the go, that's always an option for you. And then you have a 13.5 BTU AC in here, as well as an 18K furnace that's going to keep it nice and toasty or nice and cold depending on your climate here. It is a little chilly here in the winter, so it's still nice and comfy in here with it being cold outside right now. All right guys, moving on to the bathroom of this Shasta. I am standing in the shower at the moment, and at 5'7" tall, I am pretty comfortable in here. I'm not hitting my head on the ceiling. I've got enough room in here to do what I need to do and do it pretty comfortably actually. The bathroom is actually a really decent size for something in this foot range, being 18. A lot of other models are going to give you just an outdoor shower, and then in the bathroom you condense down to just a toilet and a sink. So to cram all of this in what feels like a pretty big open space in here that is an actual bathroom, it's actually a really nice upgrade to the 2021s. Come check this out, guys. Look at the amount of storage that you get in this size trailer. Look at this huge cabinet. You can bring everything you need to. Everything but the kitchen sink fits in here, right? You've already got one. And along with the sink, you've got a nice medicine cabinet here. Plenty of storage in there to fit all the toothbrushes, toothpaste, anything else you need to put in there. And you've got tons of storage underneath the sink here as well to bring pretty much anything else you didn't think you thought you needed. So, all right guys, moving to the outside of the trailer, you've got a 12-foot electric awning here. Comes in and rolls out with a push of a button. LED lights to light up your campground at night. And then moving on over here, I know COVID is a killer this year, and Shasta's really put some thought into that. We have a nice exterior sanitizing station. It rolls out from the compartment. You've got a sink out here, wash your hands up, help the kids get clean after playing in the dirt while you're out camping, and then it just rolls back in. You've got a new magnetic lock on the compartment door here, so it's none of those cheap little plastic latches that are going to break off at some point or another. So you've got a magnet to hold that up out of the way. All right, guys, we talked about how this was a really well-built, lightweight trailer. Even a Nissan Titan can pull this. It's light enough, you don't need much. Show you some of the other great exterior features. You've got that pass-through compartment. We showed you on the other side, you've got the sanitizing station, then the pass-through storage. You've got a Zamp portable solar panel plug on the exterior. So it's just this little plug here. You can plug in a portable panel run it out south facing, and it's going to give you all the great benefits of solar. And then we've got the cable and satellite hookups on the exterior. So if you're going to be camping at a KOA, you have the hookups for it. You want to just relax in your trailer, watch some TV, unwind a little bit, you've got that option. Still have the outdoor shower in this. You've got an antifreeze inlet for your winterizing, easy to access. Not a big problem there. You have to track down everything. It all just goes straight through there. You've got fresh water and city water connections out here. You've got all of your holding tank hookups out here. So you've got your sewer outlet connection, all of your gray water tank connections here. And then you've got your 30 amp service plug on the rear of the trailer. And then coming around to the back, you have your bumper. You have an option to upgrade if you want to put a back rack on here that holds a bike, put a little generator on it, anything you can really think of. And then you also have a propane quick connect hookup that ties into the propane system. So if you want to put out your camp chef or anything else that would hook into that to help you cook on the exterior of your trailer, you've got a quick connect there. And then you do have a mount for a rear camera if you want to be able to hook up to a backup camera, see where you're putting this when you're moving it. Super easy to install. Well, thank you guys for taking a look at the 2021 Shasta 18FQ model with me. Again, my name is Jessica. I'm with Legacy RV Center in Salt Lake, 3711 South State Street. If you have any questions about the Shasta, you can drop comments. Let us know if you have anything specific that you want to know about, or come down and see us. We'd be more than happy to show you all the amazing features of this.